How to freeze the part of video in VN Video Editor. Want to freeze the part of video in VN Video Editor? Here's how to do it quickly and easily. First, open your project and tap the timeline to select the clip where you want to freeze a frame. Move the playhead to the exact spot you want to freeze. Then tap the split icon to cut the clip at that point. Next, tap the clip again and look for the freeze or freeze frame option in the toolbar below. Tap it to create a still frame that will hold for a few seconds. Adjust the duration of the frozen frame by dragging its edges on the timeline. Use freeze frames to highlight important moments or add dramatic effect in your videos. Ever use freeze frames creatively? Share your ideas in the comments below. And that's how you can freeze the part of video in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.